Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm making Rice Krispie squares. But I'm going to change it up a little bit. Kind of make it more delicious and natty. So, let's see. This is a box that I got from my spring stash. It's a bigger box. It's the holiday edition, so it's got the red and green in it. Doesn't really matter to me, but got it for $2 at the Dollarama or Dollar Tree. So if you want cereal that's cheaper, get it at Dollar Tree because they're only $2 a box there. So it's a 340 gram box. We're gonna see how many cups are in a box, and I think this is all we need, really. I want to see if we have 6 cups, and I'm pretty sure we do. Okay, so I have 2 cups so far. Four cups. And I just want 6 cups. 6 cups. Alright, and I got a little bit left here in case we need it. I'm going to try something different that I've never tried before. And if not, I have some for cereal for breakfast. So let's start with, first, my glass casserole dish that I already buttered up because I don't want it to stick when it's done, right? So you're going to need a big pot. You're going to need a big pot, guys. And first off, we're going to melt the butter. So let's get the butter ready. My butter's frozen. I forgot about taking out the butter last night. I'm going to have to get some butter on special because I'm starting to see it dwindle in my freezer. So I hope for a butter sale. I hope for a butter sale. Manifesting a butter sale. So that much, I would say. Maybe a little bit more. It's hard to cut though. It's frozen. So we're going to melt that in the pot. I'd say about a 1/4 cup of butter. That's about all I freaking cut right now because it's so hard. So I'm going to let that sit on the cupboard. Or sit on the counter. Counter. Yeah. You know. And we get the spoon out. We get the spoon out. We're using magic spoon. Magic spoon. So I'm using my Spirit Witch spoon today. Because we're going to make this delicious. Oh, we got to get some vanilla. Got my homemade vanilla that I made with vanilla bean and vodka. Or was it vodka or rum? Oh, this one was vodka. Yeah. Okay, so we got to wait. Let that melt a little bit. While we wait, I'm going to let you know that I'm using this today. Sweetened condensed milk. Yeah, baby. Just a small can. It's 300 milliliters. Milliliters. Gonna need some space here. And for the marshmallows, you could get that at the Dollar Tree as well, or Dollarama. I got this at Dollarama for $1.25. Sweet and soft. It's 225 grams of marshmallows. Okay, so that's melting. It's going to take a little longer because it's frozen, but we're going to do it. Now you're going to put that on maybe number 3 so it doesn't get too hot. We don't want to scorch the bottom. We don't want to scorch this. You got to do it fast, right? So while that's melting, we're going to open that condensed milk, but we're not putting it in right away. We're going to put that in the last minute or 2. But I can put some vanilla in there. So about a tablespoon, well, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Mix that in. Mix that in. Now the fun part is putting in the marshmallows because you got to do it fast, right? You got to do it all fast. Get that open. Just about melted. Make sure all that butter is melted. And it's melted now. So we're going to put in the marshmallows. So the whole entire bag of marshmallows. Okay. Mix that real fast. It's going to melt fast, so just keep mixing it. Remember, keep it at number 3. You don't want this too high because you got it too high, you're going to burn it all, guys. Just make like a fluff, you know? Keep mixing around. All right. Once you see that it starts to melt a little bit, the marshmallows start to melt. And they're still a little hard, so keep going. You could do this with small marshmallows, but I prefer the bigger ones. And I haven't done this in years. My mom makes them more than I do. But, yeah, I haven't done this in years. So I could be doing it wrong, but I don't know. This is how I remember doing it. Except I never did it with the condensed milk. See, it's starting to... See how that's starting to kind of melt there? When it start to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, pretty soon we're going to keep mixing it because you don't want it to burn to the bottom. And that's why it's important to leave it really low. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. See? Getting smaller. Until they're the size, I'd say, of about the small marshmallows that you put in your hot chocolate. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put the condensed milk in. Mix that up. Put that in. There. Now mix it all together as fast as you can. And don't forget, chocolate chips, guys. We got chocolate chips here. So I'll put some mini, tiny chocolate chips. Gotta do that fast because it's going to stick fast. It's going to stick to the bottom fast. So you got to do this fast. More condensed milk. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, shit. It's ready. Close that. Turn it off. Get that condensed milk out of there. It's very thick, guys. Very thick. Okay. I want to add more chocolate chips to it. I really do. Because we love chocolate chips. So, more chocolate chips. These are the Laura Secord chocolate chips that you get at Dollar Tree. They're $2.50 a bag. But you can get them anywhere. Any kind of chocolate chips you like. Put them in there. Butterscotch, white, whatever you like, right? Keep going. Now I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So it's salt and savory. Salty yet sweet. It brings out the chocolate flavor as well. Well, once it's all mixed in there together, we're going to put it in the casserole dish. And it's just about ready, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. Let's put that in the casserole dish real fast. Because it's going to shape real fast. Once it cools off, it shapes. Because the marshmallows will start to harden. So. Not the best angle, I know. But it is what it is. Don't want to burn myself. It's heavy. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in there. It's starting to get kind of hard because it's starting to cool down. So you got to do it fast. You got to be fast on this. All right. Now here's the fun part. Spread it, shape it, and look at that. It's the perfect amount for this tray. Perfect amount for this tray. You know? Oh, yeah. Jay's not too fond of Rice Krispies, but I think he'll love this. We'll soon find out when he tries it. That's because he doesn't like marshmallows. And he doesn't like Rice Krispies, but it's Natty. He's never tried my Natty one. So we're going to put some more chocolate chips on top. It might melt a little bit because they're tiny. Or you can melt some chocolate chips and put them on top. I'm going to do this like this because they're very tiny. You might get a little bit of, you know. And there you go. You just leave that on the counter. It will harden up. You put a wax paper or saran wrap on top of that. Once it's cooled down, you know, and you could cut it up and have a wonderful little dessert for you and the fam jam. And now we wait. All right, so it's time to cut this. I need to find a good knife. See, it's kind of sticking. So half here, we'll just make smaller pieces. Just like that. And the rest are going to be bigger pieces. So I'm still going to wait for a little bit for it to cool down and really, really stick together. Okay, I didn't need the extras. So I could save it for breakfast or I could save it for another dessert. So I'm going to put it in a jar because I don't know when I'm going to use it next. But we got that out of the pantry. We got a nice dessert made for this week. And that is the Rice Krispies that I made today. So I was thinking, the Rice Krispie leftovers, peanut butter balls, maybe in the near future. Okay. I need a plate. It's still ooey and gooey. There it is. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. I don't mind it, but I like it when it's a little bit crispier and it's not as crispy. I like it when it's a little bit crispier, but it's not as crispy, you know? It's good though. Chocolate chips. Definitely taste the condensed milk. So you could probably shape these into balls, dip them in chocolate. You'd have Rice Krispie chocolate balls, right? Turned out pretty good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Just very ooey gooey. Mm. It's just very ooey gooey. It's just very ooey gooey. So just keep that aside on the counter for the afternoon. Let it harden more, and it will be perfect. This is still pretty soft, as you can see, but it's good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know if you like Rice Krispie Squares and if you've ever tried it before. If you haven't, let me know if you try it. Let me know if you like it. I think I'm not going to do it with the condensed milk next time. It's a little too sweet for my tasting. But some people that love the sweets, like you, Kevin. Kevin loves the sweets. Yeah, you will definitely like this because it's very sweet. But next time, no condensed milk. I'll just do the traditional way with the added chocolate chips. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.